Hello students. So previous session I discussed about logo procedure. I hope that you all understood and you also practice how to create procedure at home. So today I'm going to discuss input commands. Okay, how to take input in MSW logo. Input means whenever we are running any procedure, so it will ask some value. It might be value of length of rectangle or the side of a square. Okay, so there are two ways to take input from user. One is using parameter and another one is there are a few commands which are used to take input from user. Okay, so what is parameter? First I will explain that. So first of all, start MSW logo. Okay, and we all learn that how to create procedure to click on this add all button. Okay, so I'm creating one procedure with parameter. So procedure name I'm giving ABC and parameter means whenever we are declaring a procedure we also declare a variable. So this is called variable. Okay, so variable means what value we will give while we are calling this procedure, so that value will be carried by this variable, and on the basis of that we can perform it. Value might be represent side of a square, and if you want to draw a rectangle, in the case of rectangle you need two value, one is length and another one is breadth. Okay, so likewise you can take. So still now we have taken a single parameter. So what we want to do, we just want to find out square of the given number. Okay, square means the number is multiplied by the number itself. So here the number is represented by the variable n. Okay, and what is variable? Variable means it is a memory container which can contain some value, okay, for certain time. So while we are running the procedure, it will ask one value. Okay, we will pass the value through parameter, so then it will produce square of that given number and it will give output. Okay, so let's we check this. What procedure name we have given? ABC. Then we put the parameter value over here. Okay, it was just single parameter list, so we are passing a single value. Okay, then we are pressing enter. See, so this 5 is storing under n variable, then printing what? N multiplied with n. That means 5 into 5, 25 we got as a result. Okay, so this is called parameter. So this is one of the way to take input from the user, but this is not input, this is called passing value through parameter. Okay, so in case if you are running this procedure but you are not giving value of parameter, so it will not execute. It will not execute. See, it is asking not enough inputs to ABC because it is parameterized, and we all purposely we did this. So whenever we are calling this procedure, we have to give some value, any value we can give. Okay, I hope that you understood. If you give here 7, so you will get square of 7, 49. Now if you want to set the procedure in such a way, you will enter length and breadth. That means two parameters you set over there, and on the basis of this parameter value we want to draw a rectangle. L represent length, B represent breadth. Okay, so instead of L and B you can give any other variable name. It is up to you. Okay, so let's you write the command to draw rectangle. Repeat 2. So first FD, then we not give any certain value. Instead of this certain value we just use the variables. Okay, then FD L for length, Okay, so save and exit. We just keep this window aside that you can understand how it is working. So procedure name ABC. So first value represent length. So we are entering 200 as length and 100 as breadth. Okay, see, so we got the rectangle whose length is 200 and breadth is 100. Okay, again if you run the same procedure with different value. Okay, so this is one of the way to take input. Okay, next there are some commands which are used to take input from user. That means it will ask, input window will appear in front of you and it will ask some value from you. So what are these commands? One is rc. rc means read char. Suppose here 5 into rc. Read char means what value we will enter. It will accept that value from us and it will be multiplied by 5. Procedure name ABC. Okay, see, now it is asking input. Okay, so this is called input command. Now we are taking input with the help of the commands. Previously what we did, input the value with the help of parameter, and this is we are taking input with the help of input commands. So if we enter 6 into 5, so result we got 30. Okay, now one thing you listen carefully. So in the case of rc command, it only accepts a single digit number. If you enter double digit number, so only the first digit will be accepted. Okay, the whole number cannot be accepted. So this is the feature of rc command, read char. Okay, char means a single character. It's not only accept number, it can accept any alphabet also, but any alphabet you cannot multiply with 5. So that is why we are entering digits over here. Okay, so let's check. So if you enter a number which is more than ABC, suppose this time we are entering 12, but we will get result 5. Why? Because first digit will be accepted. 2, that 1 and 2 means 12, it is not accepted as an input. Okay, so 5 into 1, 5. So this is the characteristics of rc command. It can accept a single character or single digit number. Okay, more than one digit number or characters, only the first characters will be accepted. See, now we see. So if you enter computer, so only C will print. See, C came. Okay, so you can't carry computer, so only the first character will be accepted. Okay, so next command is rw. rw means read word. So in the case of rw, it can accept a single word. Okay, so computer can be accepted if you enter a number which having more than one digit, so the whole number can be accepted. Okay, so first we are dealing with a word. Let's see. So if you enter now computer, now computer will come. Have you seen? Computer came. So now if you multiply 5 with rw, so it can accept a number which having more than one digit. So if you enter 12, you will get result at 60. Okay, have you seen this? I hope that you all understood. Next command is RL. What is RL? RL means read list. That means list of words, means it can accept sentence. Okay, so it only accept a sentence, so you can't apply any mathematical operations on RL command, so it only can accept a sentence. Okay, so let's see. So sentence, you're entering I like to play computer games. We all like to play computer games, no? See, the whole sentence is accepted. Okay, so I like to play computer games. So these were the input commands, RC, RW, and RL. RC for read char, it can only accept a single character or a single digit number. Next is read word, so it can accept any word or it can accept a number which having more than one digits. Okay, and last one is RL. RL means read list, it can accept a sentence. Okay, I hope that you understood. Next command is make command. So what is the purpose of make command? With the help of make command we can declare variables. Okay, so previously we learned how to pass value with the help of parameter, so that time we use one variable over there. So now we can use variables. Okay, so what command is used to declaring variable? Make command. And one thing you listen carefully, whenever you are declaring a variable, okay, suppose variable is a, so you just write double quotation mark in front of the variable name. That means you are declaring. So whenever you are declaring the variable, that means memory allocation, memory is allocated with this name, variable name, so that time you give double quotation mark. Okay, then you may store read word. So what number or word you have entered, it will be stored under a variable. Okay, next we are declaring one more variable, that is b, so you can store another word or number under b variable. Now if you want to store addition of these two variables in another variable, that is c, so c equals to, you just write like that, a, sorry, small a, so make, now print here c. Okay, we make a mistake over here, no need to use equals to symbol. A, B, C, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so this is the use of make command. Okay, next command we are going to learn, that is conditional command. Okay, so what is the use of conditional command? So conditional commands help us to put condition in a procedure. And what is condition? Condition means it is a comparison. Okay, comparison between two values or comparison between some different states. Okay, so for example, suppose we are taking input of a number and we want to check that what number we are entering, it is negative number or positive number. Okay, so if you want to make a procedure which will take input from the user and what number is entered by the user, so your procedure will check that entered number is negative number or positive number. Okay, so with the help of this conditional command we can perform this. Okay, so how? Let's see. So first you declare the procedure name. I'm giving condition, any name you can give, condition. Okay, so first we want to declare one variable, that is make command, then rw storing the value. Now we want to apply conditional command, so one conditional command is used, that is if. Okay, so if, then we write the condition. What condition we will set in order to check whether the value that is carrying by a, it is negative or positive. So I hope that you'll draw that number line. So at the center 0 is lying, and if you go left side it is all the negative numbers, and if you go right side all the positive numbers. So that means if any number that is less than 0 it is negative, and if it is greater than 0 that means it is positive. So now we are going to represent this thought with the help of this procedure. Okay, with the help of this conditional command. Okay, if command. So what condition we write? If the value of a that is greater than 0, then what happened? Then pr means print. What it will print? It will print it is a positive number. So whatever you write here exactly it will print like that. Okay, so this is if this condition is true, so this statement will be executed. If this condition is not fulfilled, means what? Means if this number is negative, then what happen? It will print it is a negative number. Negative, it is a negative number. Okay, so see this carefully. So first if, then you write the condition, first bracket whatever you enclose. If this condition is true, so first this statement will be executed. Else if this condition is not fulfilled, then second statement will be executed. So first statement we have written it is a positive number. Next we have written it is negative number. Okay, so our procedure finished. We write end and let's check how it is working. Okay, so procedure name ABC. No, sorry, I have given procedure name condition. Okay, so it is asking one number from us. We are entering -9. What happened? It is a negative number. Okay, it is a negative number. If you give 5, it is a positive number. Okay, so understood. So in such a way you can make very short program. Okay, so Mswlogo is also a programming language. So the first class, I mean in class 3, whenever first day I have started, so I told you that Mswlogo is called a language. Okay, so with the help of Mswlogo you can create very simple programs. Okay, so this is a very short program. So what is the purpose of this program? With the help of this program, we can check whether a number, whatever we are entering, so it is negative number or positive number. Understood? So in such a way, you can check cost price and selling price, and you can check whether you are gaining profit or you make loss. So you can make different any type of program, that is simple program, with the help of this procedure. Okay, I hope that all of you understood. So a lot of things you learned today. So again, I'm giving short recap. So if you have not written these comments, so let's you write. So first, I declared parameter. Parameter means what variable we are declaring whenever we are declaring the procedure name. Okay, so if your procedure is parameterized, means it having a list of parameters, so while you are calling this procedure, definitely you give this much numbers as a parameter. Okay, otherwise your procedure will not be executed. So that is parameter. Next is RC. RC means read char, so it can accept a single digit character or a single character like A, B, C, D or any other symbols from you, but a single character. If you enter a word, only first letter from the word will be accepted. Okay, next is RW, means read word. So read word can accept a word from you, as well as it can also accept a digit which having accept a number which having more than one digits. Okay, next is RL. So RL stands for read list. So this command is used to accept a sentence from you. Next, make command. So with the help of make command, we can declare a variable. Okay, and whenever you are using make command, so means when you are declaring variable, definitely you give double inverted comma in front of the variable name, and while you are accessing the value of this variable, you write colon symbol. Okay, you write colon symbol. Just see the procedure. Make double inverted comma RW, that means we are declaring the variable over here, and when its value we are accessing, so that time we are using colon. Okay, colon A. So whatever name you have given as a variable name, so you just write this name over here. Okay, so this is the use of make command and if command. If command is said to be the conditional command. So with the help of this if command, we can set a condition and we can check whether this condition is fulfilled or not. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you. Have a good day.